How you doing today? I'm going to be replacing the valve stem in this tire. This is a beach tire, and this little valve stem tool, that's what you'll be using. See how it's got a little cut out there, a little slit. Put it in there, you spin it till it sits down, and you turn it counterclockwise. Okay, this one's been leaking. If you wanted to, you could always, it's easy enough to even check. All you do is spit on the end of it, put a little water, whatever you really want. But spit works good. Okay, this is the old one. I don't know why it wasn't working, but it wasn't. It was leaking. Put the new one in, nice and shiny. Now you just take the thing, line it back up, line a little slot in it, and you turn it back clockwise. Put it in nice and tight. Now you pump it up, and you spit on it. Make sure it's not bubbling. If it's not bubbling, just replace the cap. Always use the cap. Everything will be just a little bit more protected to work nicely for you. There you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Crashman out.